What's up today, boys? We got a surprise video today. I got called in. Beauty house. On the golf course. Apparently the previous installer abandoned the job. That's a huge red flag for me. So I was first asked to check the quality of the previous installer and also finish up what he left. So this could get pretty interesting. Yeah, so we're off to a great start here. I don't know what the fuck is going on with this window package, but this is the first thing I looked at, and man, oh man. Like, your two-piece in that, I don't know. Like, what? What's going on, boys? Look at this. The Grand Canyon called. They're looking for reps, bro. What, are you gonna fucking caulk that? Oh man, it just gets worse, you guys. It just gets worse. Like, what the fuck is going on here? I can't even figure out why the siding is built out that far past the fucking trim. Like, what? Jesus Christ almighty. This is a multi-million-dollar house, you guys. Look at this. What's going on here? The fucking flashings are all bent to shit. Man, oh man. Let's just turn this corner and I'm sure we'll find some more stuff. Yeah, what's going on here? What the fuck is that? Are you kidding me? They got 3 pieces of fucking comb in here. What the... Boys, this really grinds my gears. I'm not gonna lie. I don't even know what to tell this guy. Look how far past the siding is, past the trim. Like, what the fuck? How do you even do that? Oh my god. Every corner I turn, it just gets worse and worse and worse. It's like crushing to my soul. I don't even know what to tell this guy. You guys help me out in the comments. What? This is why I charge so much. Fucking insane. This is insane. See you in the next one, boys.